Hi, this is Jason Daniels, broker owner of RE/MAX Millennium, and today I want to talk about what does it require to be a successful entrepreneur. I get this question several times a year from upcoming business owners that want to create their own business and be an entrepreneur. So basically what it boils down to is determination. You need to make sure that you're determined to achieve the goals that you want to become an entrepreneur. It's not all just about the money. It's not all about fame. I'm not really famous, but really it's about serving others. And if you can provide a value for something that you're selling that's higher than what they're paying for it, then you're going to be a true success. You're going to have that business, you're going to be that entrepreneur that you want. But it takes a lot of grit. So you have to grind daily. And what I recommend, I had another video earlier, talked about getting up early in the morning and having that morning routine. I'd recommend you go back and watch that video. It's very important to do that. So you get up and you're reviewing these things every morning before you even get into the office and start your business day. Then what I'm going to recommend is there's a great book called Traction by Gino Wickman that talks about basically the nutshell, of being successful in a strategic way where you're planning things out, where you have quarterly rocks or goals so you can move your business forward, whether you're starting your business or you're wanting to take your business to the next level. And that's extremely important. So you're going to want to make sure you focus, because what you focus on is what expands. So you want to understand sales, marketing, and a lot of you that are watching this are, obviously in real estate business. So for that, you need to, make sure you're contacting clients, contacting people that know you, and reaching out there to the marketplace and finding new ways for people to reach out to you and for you to reach out to them. But it's always consistency is the key. You got to come in and treat any entrepreneurship like a job. And in fact, most people say, well, how many hours should I work as an entrepreneur? And basically, I just tell people I'm kind of part-time. I just have to pick which 12 hours of the day I want to work. And people laugh, but it's true. A true entrepreneur, to get things off the ground, is probably going to be working 10 to 12 hours a day, sometimes 6 or 7 days a week. I don't really recommend that long-term. It's not good for family or that overall balance. It's not really balance, it's balancing. There's always that fight going on with a true entrepreneur, but make sure you take care of your family. But when you're in the office or when you're in that mode, make sure you stay focused and treat it just like a job, because you're not punching the clock, you're working for yourself, and you're out there to serve others. So that's my tip for today. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a consultation meeting, I'd love to talk to you, and just click on the link below to do that, or give me a call and we'll go from there. Thanks.